Oftentimes, you find yourself trying to extract some keyword from a sentence, say maybe a survey or a sentence in your data set, but you don't know how to do that. So today we're going to learn how to use the conditional statement in Power Query to extract keywords from your sentences in order for us to make a good visualization of it. Most times you find this thing in a survey, customer experience, staff experience, a survey data that you ask some questions, and from the questions you're meant to get a valid word, a valid keyword that you can use to do your analysis. So here I have in my Power Query a column, the summary column. This is an airplane crash data set. So I just made this particular column so that we'll be able to understand this very well. So this summary column has all the information. Each of them has all the information to what happened to the plane that got crashed. So you can see this one, it was during a demonstration and blah blah blah, and that's it. So for here, you find it here: exploded and burned near Network Island when hydrogen gas being vetted was ignited. So all these things are the summary of what led to the plane to crash. Actually, this is an open source data from Cargo. You can get it from Cargo, but you can also get this data in the link in the description. So just go right on and get it. So now we are going to do the analysis. We're going to extract the keywords from these sentences now. So first of all, go to add column. We have varieties of it, but the one I want to use is conditional column. I want to add a conditional column. So once you click on it, it's going to open up a dialog that you can use to create your new column. So now we're going to rename this to the causes of crash, because that's what I want to extract. I want to extract the causes of crash from this data set. So causes of crash. Then from which column are we going to extract these causes of crash? From the summary column. Now, the operator is not going to be a cause. It's not going to be a cause. It's going to be contains, because you're trying to get a particular word in that sentence, in that cell that contains this. So it's going to be contains, and the value that we're looking for in that sentence is I'm looking for rain. Wherever there is rain, let it be that it is a weather condition that caused the crash. Weather weather condition. I want to add again too. So under our summary column, contains weather itself. Let's say fog, then let it be weather condition. condition. I still want to add another one. Same summary column, contains weather itself. Whenever it contains weather itself, weather condition. Now I also want to find wherever it contains anything like shutdown. Say shutdown. Let's bring up the output. Shutdown. Shut down. So I want to add again wherever we have anything like engine failure, like let it be mechanical failure, if it has anything to do with engine, let it be mechanical failure. Okay, so we have about three outputs here: weather condition, shutdown, and mechanical failure. We can as well add every other attribute here, but let's run this and see what it's going to give us. So you don't just run it this way. You don't just run it this way. You have to bring up the uh you see here now. I ran it, and due to that I did not put the X statement. It brought up no, 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 no for me. So I'll have to take care of this no now, and this what I will do. Go back to the query editor. So change this to unknown. So if you did not find anyone, let it be unknown. And okay, we are good to go. You see, very quickly it has changed everything to unknown, mechanical failure, and let's see, filter them out and see how many that we've got. All right, so here we'll have mechanical failure, unknown. I believe that there are still more, so let me load it so we could see it. So here it just got mechanical failure and unknown. So let's see if it actually satisfies that condition to create this column. So mechanical failure here, hydrogen gas which was being vented was sucked into the forward engine. You see, engine was here. That's why it brought up a mechanical failure, causing the ship to explode and burn at 3,000 feet. So the causes of this crash was what? A mechanical failure. So we'll actually categorize that. Then for all these ones that is unknown, you see here we have shutdown here, but due to when I was writing my query I didn't put a space, so it did not capture this. So that's one thing you have to know when using your conditional column. When using your conditional column, you have to know that these there are still shortcomings, because you have it's actually case sensitive, and then the delimiters you have to also actually identify that. So let me check it again, let me rewrite it again, and then even our weather here, the weather here started with a capital letter, while I started mine with a small letter. So let's see what we've got. So let's go back to our query editor and conditional column and change all so that we could understand it even more better. So here this fog should be capital letter. The rain started with capital letter. Shut down, capital letter, and it has a space in between. Weather started with capital letter. So yep, run it. Okay. So wow, we see now, wherever we see weather now, we have weather condition. Wherever we see shutdown now, see shutdown here, we also have what? Shutdown. That's because I've identified their case sensitive and also their delimiters in between. So you see now we have mechanical failure, shutdown, unknown, and weather condition. That's the conditions that we have. So afterwards you can now save these and then move on to your analysis. So this is just a quick way to do your keyword analysis and then drive good better insights from it using your visual. So you can see now, you can now visualize this, you can know where which one falls in which one, and then you can now go make a good table visuals and also histogram or whatever chart that you want to use to achieve this. So do it to subscribe and also like this video to get more of this video and everything about Power BI. And bye.